man, we live back with another weekly outlook video and market review, right? So I'm gonna try to make this video very brief, and this is why I kind of like typed it out on the screen right here to make it very brief and descriptive. But I'm gonna start with EURJPY. So we're on the 4-hour time frame, which is my structural time frame for my intraday pairs. So as you see right now, we are below the moving average, but we haven't got that flat top candle yet on the 4-hour time frame, and that's a really big confirmation for me, because as you see right here, we are making higher highs, and this could just be a pullback right here. So we want to see a bigger confirmation, probably more significantly a break of structure right here, to really know that we're in a downtrend, or heading into a downtrend, or how some people, or what some people call it a change of character, but it's break of structure for me, right? But right here, so EURJPY, it's indecisive right now for EURJPY. So USDJPY, it's better confirmation. So again, like I said last week, I actually didn't take a trade on USDJPY, but I probably could have missed my setups. But we are below the moving average. We do have a flat bottom or flat top candle, bearish looking trend. So let's turn it right back. You can see it's kind of making a what some people might call this is an order block or a supply zone, right? And it's forming that right now. Market is closed right now, so you know, obviously there's no movement. But the same thing with EURJPY, we're making higher highs, and this could just be a pullback to continue up. So we want some more enticing or more better confirmation to enter this trade, man. Now again, we want to see a duplicate of the flat bottom. It's below the moving average. We want to at least see one more time frame that does this. I really only use 3 time frames, so this is our second time frame, and this is why I kind of say that USDJPY is probably the best option right now, because we're starting to make that break of structure. You know, it is kind of indecisive right here before market close, and that's usually what happens. So we want to see a very we want to see a better confirmation that tells us that this market is selling. Okay, so let's go to EURJPY or EURUSD. Sorry, sorry. This is only my second video, so bear with me. I'm gonna get better at this. Here, EURUSD, it tends to consolidate. So again, we want to look for better confirmations to enter, because you can see sometimes, let's kind of go back. Right here, it's just straight consolidation mode. It just consolidates sometimes for 7 days, sometimes even more, a half a month of consolidation. So we want to see a better break of structure, or something that is telling us that it's really going to buy. But we are above the moving average on the 4-hour time frame. We do have a flat bottom candle, right? But we just want to see some better confirmation here for EURUSD. Now I'm gonna go to my swing trading pairs real quick. So GBPJPY. So let's go to the 12/8. So the 12/8 is my my structural time frame for my swing trading pairs, or the daily. So you can see here we are above the moving average, but this is a neutral candle, right? Indecisive candle. This could mean that momentum is looking to shift back to the higher time frame, or back to higher levels, right here. But yet we want to see that confirmation. We want to see a flat bottom candle form. We are above the moving average, so that's one confirmation, and we want to see a duplicate. So we can see there we do have the flat bottom as well here, but again, we want to see a flat bottom candle on the 12/8. We do not yet have that on our structure. We actually do, right? But still, that's not good enough confirmation for me. I want to see the 12/8 do something. once I see the 12H do something, then I'm gonna enter the trade. But I'm not gonna enter the trade until that happens. So follow your confirmations, by the way. If you don't, you're gonna get screwed. So right, and yeah, so right here it's the same thing with EURUSD. We are below the moving average on the 12-hour time frame, and we also want to see a duplicate on a lower time frame, right? Because we're above the moving average here. So we're indecisive on GBPUSD. So the best option right now is probably USDJPY and GBPJPY as right now for trades. Now we're gonna see what happens. Now I don't know what news events are going to take place, but let's kind of see that right around here. See some news events that could possibly. Let's go to Forex Factory real quick. So we're just gonna look at it. Oh, not today. Probably nothing. So Chef, I don't trade that. So we have USD news, red folder. I really want to look at red folder and orange. So USD, Jerome Powell, and then got some more USD, non-farmer payroll, NFP, or NF, yeah, NFE or non-farmer employment change, and then USD, we have some of that. So we just gotta watch out for that. Risk accordingly for these events. This really only affects my my intraday pairs, my swing trade. Quick little breakdown video. Hope y'all have a great trading week. Hope y'all make a lot of bread this week in the markets. But see y'all on the next video. CueBanks out. Oh, stay lit. Y'all stay lit.